All right, today we have a really nice free Lightroom preset named Summer. We're going to take a look at that. Then we're going to jump into the creative flow, play around with some professional Lightroom presets and profiles. Let's get to our free one first. Before, after, look at the tones in the grass. Really nice. Put a link down below so you can download and try. All right, now we're going to go to the creative flow. We got all our presets here, and here we have all of our profiles. So today we're going to look at the Bright collection. Open that up. Start off with the light. Really nice. Look at that. There's cooler tones. There's a boosted version. Let's go down to chill. Let's go with this one right here. And you're going to notice two things. You get an adjustable preset and you get this profile. So let's say you had a lot of grain. You could use the profile on its own. Let's take a look at before and after. Here we go. Really nice. Look at the difference there. Alright, again, I'll put a link down below for the free version of this preset named Summer, and I'll also put a link to the Creative Flow, which includes over 1,200 Lightroom presets and 1,200 Lightroom profiles. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.